Hey guys, today I'm checking out this really nice ceiling fan that I received for viewing purposes, and I think that it's quite nice because it has different adjustments that you can do it. You have the usual model right here, and as you can see, you have the lights. Okay, you can adjust the brightness, temperature, other configurations, which I think that it's really nice. It comes with all the pieces that you're gonna need to do this installation. Okay, and as you can see, these are the pamphlets, and I think that they are quite nice because, as you can see, they are reversible. This side, they are all these platinum, this really nice color, and this have on this side they have this wood-like design that I think that it's really nice. That way you can choose how you wanna place it. Okay, and as you can see, it has a really nice design that I think is gonna be really nice. Okay, you have in here your remote control and the receiver. As you can see, you have all the setup buttons right here, which I think that it's great. Well, it comes also with all the hardware that you're gonna need to do this installation, which I think that it's great. And I think that it's time to go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, let's go. The installation couldn't be easier, as it comes with the included instructions and a step-by-step indication on how to do any kind of installation part, which I think that it's nice. The design is a flush mount, so it fits seamlessly and works with most of the ceilings, and I think that it's really great because it's powered by a high efficiency DC motor, and it can deliver a really nice airflow while operating quietly and cutting energy use. Plus, it's reversible, so you can use the downward airflow in summer to cool and upward airflow in winter to circulate warm air. And it also doubles as a really nice and bright LED light fixture that it's dimmable from 5% to 100%, and you can switch between a warm 3000K, neutral 4000K, or bright 5000K light, and you can use the included remote to change the 6 different speed settings, adjust the modes, and any kind of configuration that you want to do, which I think that it's perfect. Okay guys, and as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. As I've said, you can use the remote control to configure all the different adjustments, change the temperature of the light, if you want it, the brightness, set one of the 6 different speeds that we can use in remote, or we can also just set it up into a really nice night mode that, as you can see, dims up. But we can also choose to use the application that comes in the manual, so you can select all the different configurations, also change the brightness, temperature of the light, turn it off if we want to, which I think that it's nice. We can set a timer up to 8 hours, which I think that it's really, really nice. You can set a natural wind or a night wind, which I think that it's perfect. And you can also change between if we wanted to use it to go forward or reverse the motor. So we can use it on summer or winter time, which I think that it's really, really nice. And overall, I think that it's really, really nice. As you can see, it was a quick installation that didn't take that much long, which I think that it's nice. And I actually really, really like it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.